countertops from charging your iPhones or your iPads. Those cords can be annoying. Well, if you're looking for a solution to put all that clutter away, I might have one for you. There's a company called Docking Drawer. This will put an outlet in the back of your drawer. So if you see here, this is a piece we're building for a client. They requested having a docking station inside of the drawer, so there'll be one back here. It simply just goes in using this template. We'll cut it out. This is what you'll see from the inside of the drawer. And the way it works is when the drawer opens, this opens. And then this is just a simple, 110 plug that can go into any American receptacle. It should be an easy solution. We haven't used this particular product yet, so I will let you know what I think when we're done. So come along through the process. All right, so first things first, I took the manufacturer provided template and I made my own template for that so I can route it nice and clean. I've marked where I want it. I'm gonna put this on, drill some holes, flip it, you get the deal. Okay, I added some clamps just to keep this from falling. Now it's just time to route it. So now we'll see if it fits. Which it does. Okay, so we usually keep the back of our drawer cabinets open just to save on weight. So I had to put a stretcher here for the back. So you can see this is the back of the drawer. This is the back of the cabinet. And when the drawer opens, this piece moves. Okay, so here's the front of the cabinet. Everything's all set. You can see visually it doesn't look any different. We have Bloom undermount soft close on this particular piece, which are very nice soft closing. Bottom drawer works great. This is the drawer with the outlet. Still works great. So let me show you. I'll show you the drawer on the inside.
Wow!
Okay, so there you have it. That was the Docking Drawer Company's drawer dock for outlets and charging your devices, putting them in the drawer. As a whole, very easy install. They provided all the hardware. I would not say it's for the DIYer, but if you are handy with tools, give it a whirl. The one thing I will mention is that you need a minimum of 2 inches in the back of your drawer for this to work. Luckily, in this situation, the client came kind of last minute about asking for a docking system in the drawer, and we built our drawer boxes last, so I was able to shorten that box up, and everything was fine. Had I not, it would have been a bit of a ordeal because we had to rebuild it. That said, so just make sure that you have 2 inches behind your drawer before purchasing this product. But as a whole, I give it an 8 out of 10. I don't know why I'm giving it the 8 or the 9. I don't even know why I'm rating it. I don't rate things. I'm not sponsored. Good product. Check it out.